The Department of Arts and Culture Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with Raj Bhavan, organized the state launch of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on the 12th of March 2021. The program was graced by the presence of the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Opposition Leader Shri Dr. Mukul Sangma, other ministers including Shri A.L. Hek, Minister of Arts and Culture Department, and other dignitaries. The ICCR performed a document drama Shillong Through the Ages celebrating the brave hearts Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Patogan Sangma. The Shillong Chamber Choir charmed the occasion with their melodious voices. The program was conducted with the vote of thanks proposed by the Director of Arts and Culture and the national anthem led by the Shillong Chamber Choir.
For our freedom, this evening, as we launch the India 75 celebrations, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and join hands with the rest of the country here in our state, we pay rich tribute to the invaluable contribution of our freedom fighters who gave up their today for our tomorrow. I am happy to learn that the state, under the dynamic leadership of the Chief Minister, is getting fully geared up to meaningfully celebrate India 75 in our state in the following 75 weeks leading up to 15th August 2022. On the walls of this Darbar Hall, where we all are presently assembled here in the Raj Bhavan, we already have portraits of U Tirot Singh, Ukyang Nongba and P.A. Tagan Sangma, which continue to be a potent reminder to all of us collectively of the untold sacrifices made by these brave heroes.
Very lucky as a state and as Meghalayan to be able to celebrate both the 75 years of our independence of our country and 50 years of our statehood in the same year. And I would like to urge the citizens of the state, let us really make it meaningful. I'm very thankful to all the arts and culture department officials who have taken a lot of pain to organize today's program. And at the same time, I would like to once again urge the different committees at the district level also to take these programs further.
Even you get body hug away. Native, do not pay tax to the foreigners. This is our motherland. If they insist, they will face dire consequences.
In the same year,